Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out the in-flight dining option in the AerLingus application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the upper left corner and you will see there are three lines. Press on them, and here at the bottom half of the list you will find the information segment. Press on it. After doing so, here you should select the travel information under the info category, and here you should select the third option, which is in-flight dining. After doing so, you can see that there are three options here: within Europe economy, transatlantic economy, or transatlantic business. Now you will choose this according to where you are located. In my example, I'm going to choose the first one, within Europe economy. And here you can, for example, download a menu with foods. For example, the second option I'm going to download this time. Just press on it, and you can see here that it will take you to another page, and it's very similar to like a PDF document where you just have to scroll down and you can see all the options here and how much it costs basically. And all of this can be purchased inside the airplane when you are traveling. So this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.